We'll guide you through how to make burn transition After Effects. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Adobe After Effects on your computer and wait for the program to load completely. After the workspace appears, create a new composition to begin your project. Set the composition settings you need, then confirm to open the timeline. Next, import 2 video clips from your computer into the project panel. After the clips have been imported, place both clips in the timeline in the order you want them to appear. Overlap the clips slightly so the transition area is created between them. Once the clips are arranged, create a new solid layer from the layer menu and place it above both clips in the timeline. This solid layer will be used to build the burn effect. After creating the solid layer, apply Fractal Noise from the Effects and Presets panel. This effect creates random texture that can be shaped into burning edges. Adjust the contrast and brightness values if needed, so the texture becomes stronger and easier to see. Next, add the glow effect to the same solid layer. Increase the glow settings until the edges look brighter and more intense like fire. After that, add Colorama or apply warm colors such as orange, yellow, and red to create a realistic burning appearance. Adjust the color settings until the effect resembles heat and flames. Once the look is ready, animate the burn edges by enabling keyframes for evolution or other fractal noise properties. Move the playhead forward and change the values so the texture moves over time. This creates growing and shifting burn edges during the transition. After creating the animation, use the solid layer as a matte to control the reveal between both clips. Set the matte or track matte options so the burn layer determines what areas are visible. As the animated burn spreads, hide the first clip gradually by letting the matte remove parts of the outgoing scene. Then reveal the second clip behind it, so the new scene appears through the burning edges. This creates a dramatic transition effect. After setting the animation, preview the transition by playing the timeline from the beginning of the overlap section. Once everything looks correct, add the composition to the render queue. Click Render to export the final video. Your burn transition is complete.